Hey everyone, and welcome to Investing Guide. Cardano ADA's smart contracts have finally launched. This could mean great news for investors of the coin. Smart contracts may just boost ADA's price potential up. All eyes of the crypto world are on the coin. And now, Walmart has gone ahead and said this about Cardano. A potential partnership between ADA and Walmart is on the horizon. Today we're going to be talking about how one of the biggest companies in the world, Walmart, is taking an interest in one of the hottest coins on the market, Cardano. Stick around until the end of this video as we cover all aspects of the potential partnership in detail and tell you why investors are bullish about ADA. Walmart is a multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of hypermarkets and grocery stores in the United States. One of the major breakthroughs for Cardano would have been when Walmart began using it as a payment service for purchasing of goods or even as a major management tool. A partnership between the biggest grocery retail store in the US and Cardano could result in exponential gains for the cryptocurrency. Before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our updates on the world of investing. With crypto culture taking off in the US, Walmart made an announcement that caught the attention of investors and crypto enthusiasts. The company is hiring a crypto expert to potentially expand its virtual payment options. Could Cardano ADA become one of those payment methods? ADA represents the new curve in crypto technology. The crypto coin is one of the first in a new series of third-generation blockchains that could support all manner of projects. Right from DeFi to NFT creation, ADA offers developers an environment to build more or less whatever they want. The crypto coin also has several advantages over peers like Bitcoin. For instance, an advanced two-layer architecture which allows for better scalability. The more scalable a coin, the higher its price could climb in the future, making it an exciting investment option for investors. Now, Walmart is the biggest company in the world based on revenue, and one of the largest retailers in the world. Scalability could be a feature that the company is looking for in a crypto coin. Walmart seems to be saying to ADA that, "We like what we see so far." ADA speed is the second attractive feature. Cardano ADA is said to be capable of processing some 257 transactions per second, and if you compare that to peers like Ethereum, the number of transactions is limited to 5 or fewer. The difference is like night and day. Cardano will be one of the fastest networks on the scene and capable of supporting far more projects and complex processors than many other top-tier coins. If Walmart does strike a partnership with ADA, customers will be able to pay for their purchases without a hitch or glitch. This could also drive Cardano's price up. When a company like Walmart enters the crypto realm, it makes a statement that the retailer wants to be a first mover in the space and take advantage of any strategic advantage available. It is important to state that Walmart doesn't accept crypto payments yet, but has used blockchain technology in one form or another. A few years ago, the retailer announced that it would work with IBM to use blockchain to track its food supply chain. The system can track the origins of the food that's on sale. In the event of a problem, it can then quickly trace the source and, at least in theory, protect consumers faster. In 2019, Walmart applied for a patent for its own stablecoin. Stablecoins are kinda like cryptocurrencies that peg their value to a traditional commodity, such as the US dollar. The supermarket chain is now looking for a visionary leader, with at least 10 years of product management or technology experience to develop its blockchain strategy. The preference is for someone possessing significant functional knowledge of the cryptocurrency ecosystem and an entrepreneurial mindset, according to the job posting reported on by Bloomberg. The position will be based in Walmart's Bentonville, Arkansas headquarters, and responsible for developing the retailer's digital currency strategy and product roadmap, as well as identifying crypto-related investment and partnerships, according to a job posting on the Walmart website. There's no denying the fact that ADA is an upgrade. Walmart may just be looking for an upgrade when it comes to their digital payment options, and this comes at a time when the crypto coin is taking the next forward step. Case in point is the Occam.fi ecosystem. The ecosystem is a Cardano customized suite of DeFi solutions, which is designed to deliver top-of-the-line DEX tools, decentralized launchpad capabilities, liquidity pools, and swap capabilities for native Cardano tokens. Cardano ADA has also launched its much-awaited Alonzo update. Cardano had begun onboarding users to its Alonzo Purple testnet, marking the third and final stage of its Alonzo upgrades, following the rollout of the Blue and White upgrades. While Alonzo White had limited support for a closed group of 500 users to run smart contracts, Alonzo Purple will be the first public mainnet to facilitate decentralized finance. Smart contracts remain a huge bet for decentralized applications, which could have positive effects on ADA's price potential. The question now is, why should Walmart be interested in something like smart contracts? DeFi services have built an entire financial infrastructure on top of the blockchain. The services use smart contracts, like automated blockchain contracts, to create protocols, and the protocols are replacing existing financial services in ways that are transparent and interoperable. This is good news for customers of retailers like Walmart. The speed and simplicity of the payment process offers a practical alternative to standard payment methods. It's transforming into a friction-free banking, and it is easier than ever to borrow in seconds. If someone's got $200 in Ether or Bitcoin that they want to sell, and they also want to borrow $100 at 2.3%, the entire process takes 15 seconds. The incredible speed and simplicity could disrupt the banking industry. Smart contracts have been compared to the building blocks of the internet, HTML and JavaScript. A lot of business can be done with the basic blocks, and more business is something that Walmart is surely going to be interested in. Walmart has become the byword for supermarkets, and especially in America. Founded in the flower power year of 1962, the supermarket chain today boasts about 10,524 stores and clubs in 24 countries, operating under 48 different names. They've opened stores in Canada, South America, Europe, and Asia. If that doesn't sound impressive, check this out. Walmart is the world's largest company by revenue, with $548.743 billion, according to the Fortune Global 500 list in 2020. It's also the largest private employer in the world, with 2.2 million employees. What is interesting to note is that Walmart still remains one of the biggest grocery retailers in the US. Nearly 65% of its revenue is generated from America itself. What will attract the retailer towards ADA is the Cardano community. ADA remains one of the safest crypto communities available because of its open source developmental pattern. The creation of the coin was aided by contributions from crypto technology experts in engineering and other academic fields. In its development, peer review ensures no drastic changes are made. Instead, all stages are thoroughly reviewed. Consequently, all potential security problems are tackled properly, hence making the coin safe and secure. Cardano ADA remains the only blockchain that is actually peer-reviewed. The creation of new, natively supported tokens will actually allow for the tokenization of many digital and physical assets. This transforms ADA into a multi-asset network. With the use of smart contracts, Walmart will be able to reach new heights with the altcoin. What should draw the retailer towards Cardano is its technology. That sets the coin apart from the rest, especially ADA's energy-efficient mining process. Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano ADA, recently revealed that the coin's annual carbon footprint is just 6 gigawatt-hours. The transactions conducted on the ADA platform are done through a series of energy-efficient mechanisms. Rather than utilize massive amounts of code, ADA's proof-of-stake consensus process requires only a single consumer to verify blocks, and that brings down the energy demands tremendously. ADA has claimed that its proof-of-stake consensus is 1.6 million times more effective than that of other crypto coins, like Bitcoin. Charles Hoskinson too added that ADA is 4 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. The reason being that Cardano's platform was designed with the aim to provide security similar to other POW blockchains, but with significantly lesser energy demands. The eco-friendly aspect of ADA is something that will surely appeal to Walmart, especially considering the company's global presence. If the retailer does strike a partnership with Cardano, it could signal their intent towards making a positive change. Since Cardano ADA entered the crypto market, the altcoin has been on a steady path to progress. A growing user base, which will only keep growing, is one of the reasons why ADA's value has been growing fast. Many users consider it a solution to the challenges that both Bitcoin and Ethereum have been facing. A company like Walmart is looking to step out of its brick-and-mortar image into the new digital age. They've already taken the first step by looking to hire a crypto expert. With this step, Walmart has just said to ADA that we are interested in crypto coins. If Walmart starts using crypto's proof-of-stake technology even for management of products, Cardano's value could hit double digits overnight due to the major retail store's investment in the company. Exponential gains can be expected even more so if Walmart begins to use the coin on a daily basis. Imagine it using ADA to buy suppliers from suppliers. And people can use crypto to make purchases in the supermarket. Very quickly, we could see mass adoption of the crypto coin by bigger supplier companies and its consumers alike. The advantages that Cardano ADA provides, especially with its low transaction fees, super speed, minimal carbon footprint, and scalability could make the coin valuable, and it could be a great partner to a global brand like Walmart. We really hope you enjoyed our latest video, and while you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these two videos on your screen. See you there!